For the straight leg raise exercise, what we're going to do is have the patient contract their muscle nice and tight. So they're going to make a nice tight muscle in their quad, and then they're going to elevate the leg up. And so we're going to keep that knee nice and straight throughout until the thigh is parallel to the opposite thigh. Pause there, come right back down, tap the table, maintaining a nice straight knee, and then elevating right back up until they're parallel to the opposite thigh.